cheap but healthy breakfast ideas. Many people have a different understanding of just how important breakfast is. While others believe it is the most important meal of the day, others barely give it that much attention. Eating a healthy breakfast can bring forth a number of benefits to the body. It is, however, important to note that eating an unhealthy breakfast can equally have a negative effect on your health. If you must take breakfast, ensure you have a healthy, nutritious, and well-balanced breakfast. This can give you the energy you need to push you through and prevent you from frequent bites here and there. 1. Oatmeal. Most health experts advise their patients to take more whole grain meals, as they believe it is healthy and has no known negative effects on the body. If there's one breakfast meal that will make you feel full longer than usual, oatmeal is a perfect choice. This is mostly attributed to the viscous fiber in oats. The beta-glucan fiber in oats makes it a crucial part of a diet since the fiber can help reduce cholesterol in the body. Oats have antioxidants which play a vital role in heart health and help lower blood pressure. Those who have been diagnosed with gluten sensitivity and may be worried about the effects of gluten should comfortably consume oats since it has been certified as gluten-free. Since oats are low in protein, it is advisable to prepare them with milk instead of water to improve the protein content. 2. Protein shake. A protein shake or smoothie is a drink rich in protein. These drinks are believed to be crucial in muscle recovery and are mostly taken after a strenuous activity like working out. Getting enough protein can help support a healthy metabolism and reduce your appetite. It can also help you lose body fat without losing muscle. Protein shakes are an easy way to add more protein to your diet, and they have been shown to help with weight loss. There are different types of smoothies or protein shakes: banana protein shake, strawberry protein shake, triple berry protein shake, peanut butter protein shake, dark chocolate protein shake, and other smoothies. For a healthy protein shake, use these foods: fruits and vegetables, nuts, cashew nuts and ground nuts, seeds, and yogurt. 3. Coffee. If you are aiming to improve your mood in the morning, start your day with coffee. The caffeine content in coffee has a mood stimulation effect. It can help you stay alert and make your mental performance levels soaring high. The other rarely known effect of caffeine obtained from coffee is that it helps burn fat and may be a perfect drink to manage weight. Being one of the most effective antioxidants, coffee can help reduce inflammation and get rid of free radicals in your bloodstream. This can help lower the risk of diabetes and liver disease. 4. Eggs. Egg consumption has been common in many households for a while now. Eggs are easy to make and can be prepared in many ways alongside other simple meals. This makes it easy to cook eggs for breakfast. Eggs are not only delicious but also healthy since they are rich in proteins. Eating eggs can help you reduce your calorie intake. This is because eggs make you feel full. It can also help control insulin and blood sugar levels. Some of the most important components of eggs are: 1. Lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help reduce chances of eye problems like muscular degeneration and cataracts. 2. Choline helps the brain and nervous system regulate memory, mood, muscle control, and other functions. 5. Nuts. How frequently do you eat nuts? If you ever want some nutritious food for breakfast, try out nuts. Nuts are high in potassium, healthy fats, and magnesium. These minerals play important roles in your body's health. Nuts have quite a number of health benefits. Some of these are: 1. Are the best sources of selenium, an essential nutrient that aids reproduction, thyroid gland function, and DNA formation. 2. Can help prevent weight gain. 3. Eating nuts can lead to reduced blood sugar and cholesterol levels. This can be beneficial to diabetes patients. 4. Nuts reduce insulin resistance, decrease inflammation, and lower the risk of heart disease. Using the above-mentioned breakfast ideas will not only help you to eat healthily, but can also play a big role in the control of common diseases brought about by our dietary choices. Did you find the information in this video useful? If yes, share with friends and loved ones. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button for more important health tips and tricks.